Hi everyone, welcome to I Make Stuff. This week's video is actually going to be a very short show and tell. I 3D printed a case for my Eachine e010 little tiny whoop, and a few videos ago I actually had modded the top of my drone to add a little camera on top, and I have been struggling to find a way to store this without actually breaking the antenna or breaking the camera in any way. Right now I have been storing it inside the actual cardboard box, and there's no actual inserts or anything in there. I just kind of throw it inside, and inside the box there's also the controller, as well as I now have 10 batteries. So I wanted to find a way to actually organize everything and make sure that I don't break anything. So I found this file on Thingiverse that is actually designed for the e010 and an FPV camera. Inside the case there is room for your drone, as well as accessories like your props, as well as your batteries. It does not fit your remote controller, which kind of sucks, but it is still better than having the drone just kind of flying around in the cardboard box. So the file includes the base, which holds the drone, the middle part, which holds all of your accessories, like I said, batteries, props, and it stacks right on top of each other. And then you have the lid to keep it all inside. The colors I chose are black and neon green to match my actual drone. I printed this out in PLA with a 0.3mm flare height. I did have some issues with pillowing on the layers above the infill, and one of my friends actually helped me figure that out. I've been having issues with this particular filament, and the filament is actually from this maker. It's Pixmalian maker, and the filament I've actually been having issues with. I haven't really found the right temperature as well as the speed settings to print with, but I think I'm pretty close now after trying this particular model out, and it's a pretty simple model too. The model actually has little holes on the bottom of the case, and it will hold your drone so it doesn't really slide around, but your drone fits snugly inside and it doesn't really move around as much. The antenna actually also sticks up, and in the middle compartment it actually has a hole so that when you put it together the antenna would be safe inside this little, little funnel inside. So with that, I wanted to do a little just quick video of something that I made this week. I made it using my Monoprice Select Plus printer that you have seen before in other videos, and I can link my other 3D printing videos down below. I just recently got a second printer for free, and it was sent to me for free because there's a possibility that there is an issue with this machine. The company had a bad batch of printers and they were giving them out, so I volunteered to take one just so that I can have a little challenge to see if I can get this to print things with no problems. I'm hoping that I did not get a lemon, but if I did, it'll be a nice little way for me to tinker around and learn how a 3D printer actually is built. This one was already pre-built for me, so I don't know anything about how it actually works, except for the wiring, which I have kind of played around with. But for this one is going to be interesting for me because I've never really gone deeper than just printing and fixing a broken fan or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it was a very, very short show and tell video. I'm pretty excited about this case now because I can now just have this on my desk and not worry about the antenna of my Eachine drone bending or breaking off completely. And it's a great way to show people that 3D printers can actually create things that are actually useful. I'm going to put more information down below about my 3D printer, as well as the filament I use, as well as the model of this storage case. There are other cases out there for other types of drones, even bigger Eachine drones, as well as like the Furry Bee. And if you have a 3D printer and you have these little drones, definitely go check them out on Thingiverse if you don't know that there are cases made for them just for safekeeping. So I want to thank you guys for watching my video, as well as say hi to all of my new subscribers, and I'll see you guys next time.